very different.
Kumba riu pasal ngut kinong bu dukan kila du nong nakadaw jong ka Jingbam du ka ding hayo Laitumkhrah anyan ka step. Ka MLA jong ka East Shillong constituency ikong Amprin Lingdo ila pentip baka jing julor nakane ka jing jia kalakot siya ka iway point kanday po Klur Tyngka. Habaya kren barkilat patay kubor ikong Amprin ilaong bakilawat jaka siya way nakabenta kini kinong bu dukan kam kloy. Ilaong ba ila kintu ya umintri rang ba ka jela ban shim kia halor kani bat pen kloy ban penyo jaka yaki siya way pat. Ila pentip bakan sa don ka jinga lang baar bat ka Deputy Commissioner Lasngi Ningkong.
Vendors would mean finding a space for them at the earliest as to which would be the most ideal location to locate these people. We've taken a call with the Honorable Chief Minister and his kind intervention. We would likely now try to rebuild this particular location at the earliest with minimum costs. We also have other options. There's a neighboring land of the Darbar, which we may use according to the Darbar's intervention about 2 to 3 months. So there are these dry rations and other vendors who will not be able to be relocated in the premises of the wet market where meat and fish is sold. So we are now going to have a quick meeting with the DC as well